In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rate a game on itch.io in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to leave a quick star rating or share detailed feedback with the creator, this is the fastest way to support the project and help other players discover great games. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy how-to guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the game page on itch.io that you want to rate. Once you're on the page, look over to the right-hand menu. In that sidebar, you should see an option that says Rate this game. Click that to start the rating process. After you click it, a rating box will appear where you can choose a score from 1 to 5 stars. Take a second to think about your experience and select the rating that best matches how you feel about the game. A 1-star rating would usually mean you didn't enjoy it, while 5 stars would mean you really loved it. Once you've chosen your star rating, you'll usually see a section that asks you to share what you liked or disliked about the project. This is your chance to give helpful feedback to the developer. You can mention things like the art style, gameplay, story, controls, or anything else that stood out to you. If there were things you enjoyed, say that clearly. If something didn't work well for you, you can mention that too in a respectful way. Honest feedback is useful for both the creator and future players. After you've written your comment, review it one more time to make sure it says what you want. Then go ahead and click submit. That's it, your rating and feedback will be posted on itch.io. It's a quick way to support indie developers and contribute to the community. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.